the tropical storm warning that was in effect for Palm Beach County from Jupiter down into Boca, that has now been discontinued. So first it was a hurricane warning down to a tropical storm warning, and now we're at the situation where there is no warning along the coastline. On the Treasure Coast, the hurricane warning has been downgraded to a tropical storm warning. So tropical storm conditions are still possible. We still have some big winds. Vero Beach, almost 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts still. It was 60 and 70 for most of the night, and 37 right now in Fort Pierce. We have 39 in Stewart, still tropical storm force wind gusts through the late morning and probably even into the mid-afternoon around Vero all the way down into Port St. Lucie. So here's the latest on our hurricane. Winds at 120 miles an hour. This is the 8 a.m. advisory, moving north-northwest at 13 on the forecast track. This is a wild track, South Florida, taking it along the coastline all the way up into the Carolinas. It is a Category 1 as it comes off Cape Hatteras on a big turn, 360 back down toward the Bahamas on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So that's Wednesday, 2 a.m., 40-mile-an-hour winds, tropical storm in almost the same spot that it was yesterday in the northern Bahamas. So it does look like it could have another impact on it. Some of the models, honestly, though, do wash it out and it dissipates to the north. So hopefully that happens. But we'll have to keep an eye on it. At this point, it looks like a much weaker storm than what we were dealing with yesterday with a Category 4 hurricane. But definitely one to watch through the next few days.